This tutorial will show you how to use Self-Service Banner to register for your classes. The first thing that you'll do is log into your MyDSU portal by going to the mydsu.dsu.edu website. Once there, you'll click on Log into MyDSU portal, and you may be required to enter your DSU email, password, and dual mobile credentials. Once in your portal, you'll scroll down until you see the link for self-service registration. Then you'll click on Register for Classes. Once you click on Register for Classes, it's possible that you'll have action items to answer. Just click Continue, then answer any of the pending actions that are on the left side of the screen. Once you complete those, you'll scroll to the top and click on Continue. Action processing items do not appear every time that you register, but at certain times of the year. After action processing items or after clicking register for classes, you'll be prompted to select the term that you wish to register for. You will need to enter the university that you are searching for a course. So as a DSU student, you will likely always search for a DSU class. Next, you'll select the location of the course offering. So if you're looking for a main campus course or an online class. Then, if you know the subject of the course that you're looking for, start typing the course prefix. For example, I've typed sociology here. If you know the course number, you can add that next, but if you want to see all the courses available for that specific subject, you can leave the course number box empty. Today we are searching for Sociology 285, and now click on Search. Courses will be in numerical order and then ordered by date and time offerings. If there is more than one page of offerings, you will notice arrows on the bottom of the page that you can scan for options. You will also be able to see if a course has seats open for registration or if a course is full. A full course means that it's currently at maximum enrollment allowed. You will be able to add these courses to a waitlist, but not register for them at the current moment. Once you have clicked Add for the course that you want, you need to finish the registration. You will see on the bottom of your screen the courses placed into your time chart schedule. Notice it is not in color. This means that it is not yet registered. On the right side of the page, you will see the action box next to SOC 285 says Register. You will need to click on the Submit button on the bottom of the page. This will then add you to the course officially. If you have any issues, you will receive a red error message, and you will need to address those issues before the course can be added. Here you can see that the course has been officially added. How can you be certain? On the top right, it will say Save Successful, and in your time grid, the course is now in color, and on the left, you will notice the word Registered. All of these officially mean you are registered successfully into the course. Now you may also use the advanced search to look for specific general education requirements. So you will go to the same page and click on advanced search. You'll first enter your university that you're searching for. As a DSU student, you'll always search for DSU classes. Next, select your location. Remember if you're looking for a main campus course or an online class. And then you will click on the Gen Ed and Honors Courses box. A list will populate for you to select from, and in this example, I've selected Gen Ed Natural Sciences. Now click on Search. This will give you a full list of courses available to you. There will be arrows on the bottom of the page if there is more than one page offering. You will have an Add button next to each course, so then you will follow the same steps to add or waitlist a course like you previously saw in this video. Remember that if you have any questions with registration, reach out to your advisor.